Here we come to the main tower elevators at the Moody Gardens Hotel in Galveston, Texas. These are Schindler MT. Schindler MT traction elevators. Let's see which one will it be. Here's this car right here. Going up? Your floor?
Hold on. 5. I'm on the elevator, I may lose you. Hold on a second. No, not
Have a good day.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Phone. Have a good day.
You too. Thank you, buddy.
You're welcome. This is a nice elevator. Look up in the ceiling. High. Look at this nice hallway here. This is beautiful. I believe this is the original tower built, I think, in 1998. And then the North Tower, I think it was built in 2003, I think. Okay, which one? Oh, we got the middle car. All right, we're gonna go down to 1. Glad I got my cab before this thing started boarding up people. Going down?
Yeah, going down.
I think I remember you during the first trip.
Yep. We're back. We forgot something in the room.
Oh, yeah. In case you were wondering, I'm an elevator enthusiast.
Oh, really? Interesting.
Now, I go around the country filming elevators as a hobby.
Where have you been?
Long story. I was actually at the beach today.
Oh, that's cool.
You're here at 1?
Yeah. Good talking to you.
Oh, great catching up as always, as I should say. Let's close it up. Are you going up? Yes. You go, I'm sorry. Alright, let's watch it close up. There it goes, and that's it.